In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all customers from your Shopify dashboard. Whether you're clearing out old data, starting fresh, or maintaining your customer list, we'll walk through this process together to make it straightforward and manageable. First, let's get started by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. You might already have it open in your browser, or if you're just joining, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several options here, but what we're interested in right now is the Customers tab. Go ahead and click on Customers. Now that we're on the Customers page, you'll notice a list populated with all the customers who have interacted with your store. This page provides a comprehensive view of each customer's details, allowing you to manage your interactions effectively. However, if your goal is to delete all your customers, we'll need to proceed with selecting them all. To the left of the customer name label, you'll see a checkbox. Clicking this checkbox will select all customer entries in your list. It's a quick way to highlight everything at once, which is particularly useful when you have a lengthy list. Once you've selected all your customers by checking this box, your attention should move to the three small dots located on the right side of the screen. These dots typically indicate additional options or settings you can apply to your selection. Click on these three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Delete Customers. This action will prompt Shopify to remove all the selected customer data. After clicking Delete Customers, you will be asked to confirm your decision. At this point, you'll see a confirmation button labeled Delete Once More. It's essential to understand that once you click this second Delete button, the action cannot be undone. Therefore, before you proceed, consider double-checking that this is indeed what you want to do. If you're set on your decision, go ahead and click Delete. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted all customers from your Shopify dashboard. Remember, maintaining a clean and up-to-date customer list can enhance your management efficiency and data accuracy. If you're managing a new campaign or keeping track of active customers only, clearing outdated records can be quite helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks to help streamline your online store management. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video.